Hello and welcome to the first episode of Scratch Tutorials. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make this. And this is just a very quick and helpful tutorial. I'll just show you how to do it now. So first we start off with this little tomcat thing. And what we're going to do, we're going to be on motions here. And we're going to get move 10 steps. So just click on that and drag it into this area. This is like you would like write on here, and this would what would come out. What would like be the answer. And then we go on events, which all you do is click on it, like move your cursor over to events, click on events, and do the same. One green flag is clicked, and that green flag is this here. So if we do that, he moves 10 steps. But that's not very good, is it? And if you want to move your sprite anywhere, just click on it and just drag it to where you want it. So that's not very good, is it? So what we're going to do, we've done motion, we've done events, and now we're going on to control. And control is a very fun thing because you can fun section, if you want to call it that, because well you can make things go forever. So click on forever and move forever over here, and put move 10 steps in forever, and see, keeps going. But if I just press this, by the way, this thing here is stop all, so it stops everything on this. So if I just move him back there, and watch, he just goes to the edge and doesn't come back or anything, does he? So if I stop, I click on his tail, just grab him there. Don't have to click on his tail or anything, but you know, as you do. So it doesn't bounce or anything. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to our old palm motions. Click on if on edge, bounce. So we move that over here and just click that, put it under move 10 steps, and ready? Watch, it's really cool this. Bounces off. But he's going upside down. Do we want him to go upside down? No, we don't. Well, unless you want him to. If that makes sense. Anyway, so what you've got to do, well, what you can do, unless you like him spinning upside down, or going upside down, go on set rotation style, left, right, or there's don't rotate or all around. And basically, I think you can only get set rotation style on Scratch 2 offline editor. So if you just drag that up here and see, just click it, put it under if on edge bounce, and then voila, it's there. And he's not doing anything wrong there. And he's just going side to side. But that's a bit boring, isn't it? So what we're going to get, staying on motion for this part, we're going to go turn 15 degrees either way, don't mind, and just put that under set rotation style left right. But that's a bit boring, isn't it? He's just going up and down, around and round and round. So if we just take that out, he'll carry on going like that. It's going round in a thing, but that's still boring. So if we just do that, and then voila, doing that. And just keep doing stuff like that till you get how you want it. I like that as it is. So what we're now going to do, we're going to go on looks. We haven't done looks yet. So if I just click on looks now, So that's under motion, and next to control, like diagonal from events. But what we're going to do, we're going to go change color effect by 25. So that's change color effect by 25. Just drag that and put it out there. And see, he's flashing on and off different colors. But if we stop it, he goes back to his original fur. I bet he likes that fur. Looks comfy. But if we start it, he's flashing again. Stop it, he goes back. Start it, flashing. Stop it, goes back. Now what we're going to do, so we've got him doing that. That's basically all we need him to do. Now, this is something called background or backdrop, or if you like it, stage. And what there's under here, this area, there's something called new backdrop, and that's choose backdrop from library, paint new backdrop, upload backdrop from file, or new backdrop from camera. And no, it's not a literal library where you've got like books and stuff and you pull out a book and open it and choose one. It's like this. Just click on that. So, like so. Click on it here. Choose your backdrop. And at the moment, I'm just scrolling down. I think I'm going to choose stars. Or, actually, I don't think I've used this one yet. I'll use slopes. Looks nice. Click OK. Like that. And voila! He's in the sunny but snowing slopes. That makes sense. Anyway. So, he's going around like that. Whizzing around everywhere. Bouncing from edge to edge. That's nice, isn't it? But the thing we want to do at the moment is get another one. So what we do, we right click on this little sprite down here, which is this sprite, click on duplicate, and another one will come up, and duplicate again, and watch. I know it's going quite slow, so I'm just going to delete this one, and then look, see? If I just stop it, because they're kind of going in the same direction, if I just put one there and one here, then start it, then voila! They're bouncing everywhere, but that's kind of boring, isn't it? So, this is scripts and costumes up here. So, if you're on costumes, just click on scripts there. But that is quite boring, isn't it? So, what we're going to do, we are going to go on to, stay on looks. And what we're going to do, we're going to click on show and move this over there. And we're also going to get a hide and move this over here. And we're going to go onto events that we've already been on. And when green flag is clicked, show. And then what we're going to do, when this sprite is clicked, that's what we need. That's on events as well. So it's under when space key is pressed and when backdrop switches to slopes. I think that's called, yeah. Anyway, when backdrop switches to that, it's above that and below when space key is pressed. So just take that out, put it over here, and then when this sprite is clicked, hide. So that's what we want. I'm just gonna change this to, let's say, let's go 20 steps. So if I do that, see, he's going faster than than the other one, but the other one's going really slow. So what we want the other one to do is this. If I just change this to 50 steps, and look how fast that's going. And now that's quite cool, isn't it? So if I duplicate this one and this one, then press start, and then look, you've got them all bouncing around, changing colour at the same time, so they're the same colour. So we've just duplicated again there. And we're going to do the exact same of what we did on sprite number 1. We're just going to do that. Get these out. Not when space. When this sprite. I bet I did space, didn't I? Yeah. Sorry for the mistake there. If I just go, yeah, right, and then we go on looks again. And we go show, hide, and if you want, you can get one of these. So these things, I don't know what they're called. Like probably called like blocks or something. Don't know. Just move it, and you can hover over one of the sprites and put it on the sprites or the other sprite if you want. Just do that, and they'll appear up here. So if we just do that, link these up. So when this sprite clicked, what we've got to do, we've got to put hide, and when green flag is clicked, put show. And basically, if we just go on full screen, see they're whizzing round like that. What we're going to do, if you just click on it, it'll hide, and that's actually kind of hard when it's all laggy. So if I just go onto this screen here, like small miniature screen if I can, eesh. Oh, it's not lagging anymore. Alright, there we go, now it's lagging. Right. Oh. X. Right. So I just try and click this one here. Oh, it's hard. Anyway, so you get the game, right? So that's basically your first Scratch game. It's a very basic one. Next week, if I remember, or next time I do a video, probably won't be next week, it'll probably be like tomorrow or something. Don't know. Next time I get a video, we can do sensing. Yeah, we can do sensing. And maybe a bit of data. Maybe. But we'll be doing sensing. So we'll be doing sensing when we come back onto the next video. So thank you for watching. Oh, and by the way, how you save is literally you just click file here and save as. So file up here and click save as. It will come up with these. And I've got a little folder already. Where is it? 1 second, I'll find it. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I do hope you have fun. Try and experiment with as many ideas as you can. Yeah, so if you just do that, I'm just experiment for a minute or so. I'm just gonna come off mic. Okay, I'm back. If you can actually hear me, hopefully you can. So yeah, and I also know a couple of people that have a YouTube channel. One of the YouTube channels is MaceTaker74. Check that out. I'm sure soon he'll have some programming videos and stuff like that on Just Basic. And Python, of course. Like everyone knows that. Probably not. But yeah, so check out his channel, check out my channel. Catch you in the next video. Bye!